Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Today's video, let me show you about our hair extensions of premium hair. As you know that Joice Hair premium hair is the best hair quality, and the hair is super great quality in terms of longevity, and also we supply a variety of colors and all type of different hair products. And this is a seamless clipping hair extension of two different colors. One is our color 6, one is color 613. You can see they are very much silky and great hair. And a lot of clients asking whether we can supply different hair textures like curly or wavy. Yes, we can do that. And all this hair actually we do in premium hair. You can see this is seamless clipping hair extension. You can see this peel part is very soft and very thin, so when you install it will kind of seamless, very comfortable as well, lightweight. And also we supply a variety of different hair extensions. You can see that this is a taping hair extension in different colors. You can see this is a very white color, and also this is a nano hair extension, nano ring hair extension, very popular. And this is a volume weft, now pretty popular. If you are looking for volume of hair, a volume machine weft hair, you can take this volume hair extension, volume weft. And also of course Genius Weft, one of the most popular products right now, Genius Weft, which is a very thin, very lightweight. And this Genius Weft now is very soft, so when you install it's very comfortable, lightweight. So all these different type of product we can do. And if you're looking for the best quality hair extensions in different colors, in different hair products, you can contact us, and we supply the best premium hair extensions. Also we supply in different type of hair like Remy hair extensions as well. So if you're looking for hair extensions for your business, kindly contact us. Thank you. Have a good day.